Trading plans. Your trading system. Section 2. The lowdown on stock trading systems. A brief overview of stock trading systems. Stock trading is one of the possible careers that you can venture into when looking for a high return of investment on a regular basis. However, you need to consider a tried and tested trading system if you want to succeed in the stock market. Trading systems consists of certain rules and parameters that determine entry and exit points for a given equity. Among these parameters include oscillators, moving averages, relative strength, Bollinger Bands, and stochastic. In some instances, a combination of more than two parameters determines the rules. In other cases, a single indicator is enough to establish a rule. There are some systems that have rules disallowing buying of stocks unless the relative strength has reached a certain point. In general, however, a combination of these rules is what makes up a system. Since the success of the system lies on their performance of certain rules, stock market traders try to optimize them in order to control risk, improve profits, and pave the way for long-term stability. To successfully optimize, traders modify various parameters within each rule. However, optimizing will only lead to marginal improvement of results. For a system to be effective, the mind should dominate the heart. The use of emotions should be completely ruled out in stock trading. In an attempt to regain and cope with their losses, traders have the tendency to make hasty decisions with their trading and as a result find themselves on the losing end. With trading software, the decision is not based on empirical findings because they are automated. With less human mistakes, the possibility of yielding a higher profit is greater. However, trading systems can be complicated. They demand knowledge of technical analysis, capacity to make empirical judgments, and a solid foundation of how the parameters function. Stock market trading software helps any kind of trader succeed in the business. They help ensure that you maintain objective decisions and reduce potential risks while increasing returns. To be successful as a trader, you should have steady nerves and the ability to make crucial decisions based on analysis of historical data and the current financial condition. Although your program should not be complicated, it should be based on known work principles. Although you can develop your own system, there are several available systems on the market that can help you succeed in the business. Most of these systems are available as programs or charts that facilitate your decision-making process while maximizing the potential income that you can obtain from your investments. Stock market programs rely on several indicators to help you determine profitable decisions. They can provide you with consistent profits and help you avoid errors. As a result, your decisions are not based on fear or over-exuberance but on the trading system itself. There is a wide range of options that you can consider when it comes to the trading software. Most of them are available online. They provide security of investment since it is based on a tested system. Although many of them can be purchased online, it is best that you research and compare each product. When looking for a trading system, make sure that it comes from a reputable provider and that it is suitable to your style of trading. Otherwise, all your efforts will become futile, and you may end up with zero income.